Hey, good people. It is your girl, JB, with Elevate with JB. As you know, we are here for an unboxing. Your girl has been shopping. I bought some Van Cleef and Arpels, and I decided that I want to share them with you. Little disclaimer, there's a lot of drama going on around Van Cleef and Arpels. We will not discuss that in this video. There are a lot of YouTubers out there discussing that drama, as well as the individual who had their experience, and so I'll allow them to continue to share their story. In the meantime, let's get into the unboxing. As you know, Van Cleef and Arpels items normally come in this beautiful white box with a green ribbon. Won't get into all the packaging details. Watch my other YouTube videos, as this is not my first piece. So, what do we have here? Okay, so for our first piece, we have this beautiful 18 karat yellow gold sweet butterfly pendant from VCA. I love butterflies. This holds significance to me because, as you guys may know, I have relaunched my coaching platform, Elevate to Evolve. And for me, it's all about the transformation journey. So when you think about a butterfly, actually think about a caterpillar transforming into a butterfly. So this is a piece that I wanted to get to myself as my relaunch to my coaching business. She is gorgeous. Again, it's 18 karat yellow gold, mother of pearl. It's part of the Sweet collection. So this piece allows me to stack with my current BCA pendant. But I just thought she was so sweet, so special, and great for stacking. So if you have any questions about this piece, please leave a comment down below. Let's get into the next piece. All right, on to the next piece. Y'all, I love me some BCA, clearly. Don't tell my man at home though. All right, so next runner up, 18 karat yellow gold. This is also part of the Sweet collection. This is the butterfly earbud earrings. I have super small ears, so they actually don't look as small on me as they may other individuals. But again, this is another significance for me relaunching my coaching business, as well as I love butterflies. I'm all about transformation journey, elevate to evolve, and just really tapping into your higher self. So this for me just really resembles me elevating and evolving. And hopefully I can help you do the same. All right. Last but not least, now this was not a part of the plan, but is it ever a part of the plan? And so I decided that I wanted something just a little juicy to add, right? Comes in this pretty packaging. And so the piece I decided to get, again, 18 karat gold. This is Van Cleef and Arpels signature pearl ring. Stunning, super classic, super simple. What I love about this ring is that it just speaks elegance without doing too much. I think she's a beauty. If you know anything about the Pearl collection, you know that this is a stunning piece and just a great piece to add. So that is it for my Van Cleef and Arpels unboxing. I hope you like the items that I have. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. For my subscribers, hey, how you doing? And like I said, just share this video with people who are interested in purchasing anything from Van Cleef, who have questions. Again, I'm here to help. And as always, thank you for watching. Bye.